Well, lots going on with Tapad.
Yeah.
You guys were acquired recently,
Yep.
and just give us first a quick overview on the company and
Yeah.
the scope of your operations.
Yep. So Tapad is the first cross-screen data provider, and so when we started out 7 years ago, we were saying, let's figure out a way to connect a consumer's identity across all their screens and get away from just a cookie identifying a person to now having the whole scope of all of their interactions on their phone, their tablet, their computer. And then fast forward a few more years, now we have TV too.
Great, great. So tell us about how you collect the data and the value and who your clients are, customers.
Yeah, so we collect our digital data from non-PII sources. So we're getting about 30 trillion signals monthly to figure out if this is the same person across multiple screens. And those signals are coming from programmatic bid streams, they're coming from ID syncs, and they're coming from partners that we buy data from. And then on the television side, we're working with ACR vendors and set-top box providers.
So what's the data that you're providing that's not provided by more conventional data providers?
Yeah, so our layer is the stitching. So most providers will give you a stream of this is all we know about all the cookies coming off of Firefox and maybe Chrome, and here maybe another provider is saying here's what we know about people when they're in app, and here's what we know about people from a location perspective. But all of those streams if you just looked at them, they would seem like you're having a different person across all of those identifiers. And what we're saying is, no, it's actually the same human being. They just have different IDs coming from different sources. And so our customers then are brands and agencies, but then there are also other ad tech providers who want an understanding of who the person is for insights, for decisioning, for execution, and for measurement. And so we've been helping the whole ecosystem understand a consumer and cross-screen perspective now for several years.
Cool, cool.
Yeah.
And tell me about the association with Tracy and her company and what you guys hope to accomplish there.
Yeah, so Tracy Shabak obviously is a legend from Publicis fame of moving the ball forward faster on advanced TV, and we really respected when she was there her willingness to try new things to get advanced TV working faster. And so now that she's gone to start her own thing in Mattermore Media, we are very eager to help her and have her help us kind of realize the power of data-driven television.
So what is the future of data-driven television? We hear a lot about that.
Yep.
We hear a lot coming into the upfronts. We've heard a lot about NBC buying on audience, not demo.
Yep.
How do you see the future of TV buying and attribution measurement, and what's the role of Tapad?
Yeah, so when you look at it through an audience buying lens, if you were only to know the audience of a person from just their other digital TV behavior, their consumption behavior, you would have an incomplete view of the consumer's audience. If you know better that someone has these interests, has these actions, has these behaviors on their phone, and has these interests, behaviors, and actions from their computer next to what they're consuming on television, you have a much more clear understanding of who this human is. So you have a much more well-rounded understanding of the audience so that you can be much more precise when you do make the TV buys. And then from an attribution perspective, because we have these one-to-one ways of saying this person definitely saw the ad, and then this is the person who did the dealership locator lookup on their phone, or this is the person who walked into a particular store, you can be much more quantified about how is TV working for you. And then further, how is TV and digital working together for you, brand, to drive the outcomes you need. And so we really want the next frontier of TV to look like the data-driven approach of the digital frontier that was 2006, 7, 8 when we got into programmatic. We want that power and that sophistication of knowing how to use data to make more effective, efficient buying done now in TV.